Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open Play Store. Now slide right to open more functions and click on My Apps and Games. Here the first tab is Updates, so as you can see here are applications that can be updated. You can pick just one of them, one particular application, or you can update all at once. So let me pick, for example, Google Print, click on Update. You just have to wait a couple of seconds until the latest version is downloaded and then installed. Now you can scroll down. Okay, so actually now it's over here at the first place, but once it will be installed, you will be able to notice it at the bottom of the list as recently updated. But just give it another few seconds. And here it is, as you can see now over here, and recently updated, you will be able to notice this application. You can obviously update all at once, simply click on Update All, and you can smoothly use your device over here, and then it will be automatically done over here. As you can see now, it's been updated. So that will be all. This is how you can update applications in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.